What are you up to today?
I am just prepping our newest listing here for our open house this evening. Why don't you come on in and I'll show you around.
So give me the lowdown. What makes this house so special?
Oh my gosh, this house is such a jewel box. First of all, it's in Forest Hills, which, as you know, is our favorite neighborhood in Smyrna, on Dunn Street, super popular street in the neighborhood. And everything about this house is meticulous and beautiful and so well done, from the refinished hardwoods, new windows, incredible landscaping, and just wait till you see the kitchen and the bathrooms.
What do you love about this kitchen?
Oh gosh, okay, well first I would say that I love the windows and how much natural light just pours into here. And then second, I would say I love how actually really large it is. This long counter with a little eat-in nook, some great storage over here. It has a really fantastic flow, great for entertaining.
Show me more of the house.
Okay, awesome. Well, so first you have this great little dining area right here in the kitchen, and then come this way over to the bedroom. So beautifully well done bathroom, another bedroom with built out closets, this great hallway. We've got another bedroom over here, also has built out closets. And then check this out in the primary suite. This house is fairly small, like your typical ranch is, but they have maximized every bit of space here in this bathroom. And look at this incredible shower, how big it is.
Okay, Melanie, tell me about the backyard.
Oh my gosh. Can you smell these incredible gardenias right now? The sellers have done such an incredible job in re-landscaping this lot. They regraded it, they added irrigation in the front, the back, and all the garden beds, and planted this amazing and lush zoysia grass. Plus, fully fenced in and very private backyard. And check out this beautiful flagstone patio. All right, I guess that's it. You guys gotta go. I gotta finish getting ready. But remember, if you're ready to turn your house hunt into a welcome home, call me, Melanie Hunt, with the Hunt Home Team. Until next time.